before start flow.
OK, beginning flow.
Pause system test. OK.
Waiting for
Ladies and
Apu.
gentlemen, your safety aboard this aircraft is our primary consideration. Please refrain from reading magazines and newspapers. We will now show a short video demonstrating safety procedures for this aircraft. You will find a safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please study this carefully. Thank you for your attention and wish you a pleasant flight.
118.4, come 1.
Come 1. 18.4.
Easy 231 cleared to Echo Golf Charlie Charlie. Departure via Delta Depart cleared to 5000. Squawk 4141 departure 123.6.
Cleared to Echo Golf Charlie Charlie. Departure via Delta Papa cleared to 5000. Squawk 4141 departure 123.6. Easy 231.
Easy 231 stand by. Easy 231 roger. Taxi to holding point, runway 28 using taxiway Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Echo.
Roger, taxi to holding point, runway 28 using taxiway Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Echo, Easy 231.
Start engine 2.
Got it. Pardon me. Engine start.
Yes.
Good. Start switch engaged. Engine 2. Start valve open. Engine 2 N2.
Easy 231 stand by.
Fuel flow. Engine 2.
Easy 231 roger. Taxi to holding point, runway 28 using taxiway Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Echo.
Roger, taxi to holding point, runway 28 using taxiway Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Echo, Easy 231.
Start engine 1.
Engaging starter 1. Starter cutout. Engine 2 start valve open. Engine 1 N2.
Thanks.
At your service. Fuel flow. Engine 1.
Start pushback.
Stop push.
Starter cutout. Engine 1.
After start flow.
After start. Takeoff config selected. Heat cam page checked. Anti-ice is required. Check tattoo master is off. Heat cam door
In the
page
interest
checked.
of safety, heavy bags or bottles must be placed underneath the seat in front of you, and all unlocked exits must be kept clear. If you do need any assistance, the cabin crew will be pleased to help. Thank you.
Before taxi flow.
Set up for taxi. Seat belt signs switched on. Taxi lights selected on. Navigation lights now on. Wing lights
Cabin crew
switched on.
proceeds for departure.
Cabin call please. Emergency lights armed. Taxi flow complete.
Stop pushback.
Stop push.
Before taxi flow.
Set up for taxi. Seat belt signs turned on. Taxi lights switched on. Navigation lights selected on. Wing lights switched
Cabin crew
on.
proceeds for
Cabin call
departure.
please. Emergency lights armed. Taxi flow complete.
Thanks.
Forget it.
Runway entry procedure.
State runway.
2A.
Runway heading correct. Landing continue. Continuing.
Taxi lights on.
Taxi lights switched on.
Before takeoff flow.
Before takeoff flow. Transponder on. Landing lights turned on. Turn off lights now on. Taxi lights switched on. Wing lights on.
Yes, go
Auto
ahead.
throttle
Hi,
engaged.
Captain.
Ready
Cabin
for
is ready for
checklist.
takeoff.
Yes, thanks for that.
Set flight level 100.
Setting flight level 100.
Set speed 250.
Yeah, presto. Setting speed 250. Selected.
Takeoff flaps.
OK, beginning flow.
1.
Takeoff flaps 1. knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Yeah.
Gear. Coming up.
Flaps.
Flaps going up. Flaps verified. Gear. Up and secured. Transition altitude.
I think transition in the climb.
Transition in climb. Landing lights. Off. Setting altimeter reference. Back to standard. 299 on my side.
Cross-check.
Cross-checked. Thanks. Crossing 10,000.
Approach mode out.
Approach mode already selected on.
Approach slow.
Approach the altimeters set. Select nav source cap. Select display cap. Landing lights switched on. Seatbelt signs selected on. No smoke lights switched on. Approach speed BREF +7. Set avionics for approach. Captain check TCAS ready for approach.
Set altitude 5,000.
Got it. Setting altitude 5,000. Transition altitude.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
Gear down.
Yeah. Gear. Speed check. Coming down.
Flaps 1 down.
1.
Gear. Down and locked.
Flaps 1 down.
1.
Flaps 1 down.
1.
Positive rate.
Landing flow.
Landing flow. Spoilers checked down. Flaps as required. Seatbelt signs selected on. Anti-skid switched on. Landing lights now on. Recognition lights.
Yes, go
on.
ahead.
Taxi
Hi,
lights
Captain. Cabin is ready
selected
for landing.
on.
Yes,
Landing
copy
flow
that. Thanks
complete,
very much for your
David.
help.
Land man vis.
Landing manual. Okay, landing manual visual. Runway lights.
Auto throttle off.
Roger. Beg your pardon. Repeat that. Auto throttle off.
Yes.
Lovely. Auto throttle deactivated.
Thanks.
Minimums. You're welcome.
Landing.
Landing continue. Continuing. Reverse thrust deployed. 70 knots.
Out of reverse.
Out of reverse. Reversers are in.
Clean up flow.
After landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our final destination. Please remain seated with the seatbelts securely fastened until the aircraft has reached its parking position and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please continue to observe the non-smoking sign. On behalf of our airline, we would like to say goodbye to you now. It was a pleasure having you as our guests, and we look forward to welcoming you on one of our aircrafts again. Thank you and goodbye.